several people have been asking me to get some good exhaust note video out of RR. So here is your wish coming true, and also my wish, by the way. I bought that special something which records audio so much better, so I'll stop with this noisy audio and let you enjoy the new good sounding inline 4 music. So here it goes.